Once upon a time, in a small village, a mother and her young son, Timmy, were walking home from the market. Along the way, they found a beautiful, shiny coin on the ground. Timmy eagerly picked it up and said, "Look, Mom, I found a coin. Can I keep it?" His mother smiled and replied, "Let's see if we can find who it belongs to first. It's important to be honest and fair." They asked the people they met on their way if they had lost a coin, but no one claimed it. Finally, they reached a small house where an old woman sat on the porch looking worried. Timmy's mother asked if she had lost something. With a sigh of relief, the old woman said, "Yes, I lost a coin that I need to buy medicine. Thank you for finding it." Timmy handed her the coin, feeling a sense of pride. On their way home, he asked, "Mom, why did we have to give the coin back?" His mother gently replied, "Honesty and kindness are the greatest treasures we can share with others, Timmy. Remember, doing the right thing always brings joy to our hearts and helps others too." And so, Timmy learned that the true value of life lies not in what we possess, but in how we treat others.